Hi, in today's session, Adi with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about importance of IELTS listening in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Poland for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. Let us first see what is the importance of IELTS listening in the EduMall. The IELTS listening test assesses your understanding of spoken English. Here you will have 4 sections, 10 questions in each section, and thus there are total 40 questions. Approximate 30 minutes time will be given to you for listening and 10 minutes time to transfer your answers to your answer sheet for pen paper based, whereas 2 minutes for computer delivered type. Let us see what are the contents in this. So, in section 1 and section 2, you will have everyday social situations that can be monologue in the first one and dialogue in the second section. Whereas in section 3 and section 4, you have educational and academic context, where you will have tutor or students chatting together in section 3, whereas in section 4, you will have a lecture delivered by a person. Let us see the test format. So, the duration of the test format is approximate 30 minutes, as I have already told you, plus you will have 10 minutes transfer time for the paper and 2 minutes check time for the computer. Let's see the sections. So, there are 4 sections, 10 questions in each, and thus total 40 questions, as I have already told you. Let's see what are the recordings. So, in the recordings, you will hear 4 sections, 4 recordings, and that will be on conversation basis, and the recording will be heard only once. What will be the accents? The accents will be depending on British type, Australian type, New Zealand type, and North American type. Let us see the section breakdown. So, in part 1, 2 people in a social situation will be interacting with each other. Let us say like booking a ticket or booking a hotel. Part 2, you will have one person in a social situation that is giving information. In part 3, up to 4 people in an educational or training context, voices can be heard, like students speaking to each other or tutor or students speaking to each other. And in part 4, one person giving an academic lecture or a talk. But what is the difficulty? The difficulty increases progressively as we move from section 1 to section 4. Let us see what are the different types of questions here. So, in this listening type, you will see that there are 9 types of questions depending upon multiple choice, matching, diagram labeling, form completion, note completion, sentence completion, short answer type, etc. And what are the skills required? The skills required are understanding main ideas and specific information, recognizing speakers' opinions, attitudes and purpose, following the development of arguments, and extracting the details like names, numbers, time and spellings. You have to listen very, very carefully and then you have to answer your questions. As you listen, you will keep on answering your questions, and you will see that you will get success in getting more marks as well as more bands. So, what are the key tips for the success? So, listening for meaning. Don't wait for exact words. Listen for synonyms or paraphrased ideas. What you are going to focus. Concentrate on finding answers, not understanding every word. Read ahead. Use pauses to read questions and predict answer types. That is, word count, whether it is noun or verb. As you will read the question, you will understand what the answer will be or might be. Use official materials. Practice with tests from reliable resources. And score conversion. That is, 30 correct answer is around a band 7, 34 for a band 8 and 40 for band 9. So to get maximum scores in listening module, you have to practice daily so that you can be smart enough to understand the accents of native English speaking countries. And once you become smarter, when you are going to appear in the exam, you will be getting the maximum bands what is required by any country for your admission or for your PR or work purpose. So, in EduMall, we are there to help you to get maximum scores in listening module. Come and join the EduMall for getting good marks in IELTS. Best bands to move ahead to your destination. Thought of the day. Learn from yesterday, live for today and hope for tomorrow. So, this phrase is a famous inspirational quote often attributed to Albert Einstein, encouraging reflection on the past, embracing the present moment and maintaining the optimism for the future with the added context. The important thing is not to stop questioning. It is a philosophy that balances using past experience to guide the present actions and build a hopeful future without getting stuck in regret or anxiety. So, never stop asking questions. Ask questions and become a better future for the coming time period and become a better person day by day. Create history as Albert Einstein has created in the world. You will be one of them one day. Important historical date, 14th December. Let us see why 14th December is important. And today is 14th December. Let's see what are the importance of this date. On 14th December, National Energy Conservation Day focuses on saving energy and efficiency in daily life, which was observed since 1991 by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE. On 14th December, Monkey Day, which is an international day and unofficial holiday celebrating monkeys and other primates, which was started by art students in 2000. On 14th December, historical and cultural context, this day has been significant global event. In a cultural and logistical context related to Gujarat, the period from December 14th to January 14th is traditionally a time when few Hindus' weddings takes place. On 14th December 2022, Bhupendra Bhai Patel was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for his second consecutive term in Gandhinagar. Word of the day, and today's word is sensibility. The meaning of this word is a personal or cultural approach, a capacity for delicate feeling, excessive sentimentally. Synonym: sensitivity, perception, feeling, awareness, responsiveness and susceptibility. Antonym: insensibility, apathy, numbness, indifference and ignorance. Origin: the word sensibility originating from Latin sensus, that means feeling, via French, meaning the ability to perceive or react to stimuli, often refined aesthetic or emotional taste. Entered English in the Middle English period around 1400, and thus it is one of the important word, and the word is sensibility. Let us see one sentence with this word, and the sentence is: modern sensibilities often differ from older views. So today we have learned one more word, and the word is sensibility. Use this word in your sentences and also help others to use this word to become more smarter in English speaking. Why students go to Poland for higher education? So, we will see that what is the importance or benefits for going to Poland for higher education. Students choose Poland for higher education due to its blend of affordable cost, high quality education with many English taught programs, globally recognized degrees, a safe environment and strategic location for travel, plus growing post-study work opportunities. It offers a budget-friendly alternative to Western countries, attracting many international students seeking quality without the high price tag. What are the key reasons for the students choosing Poland? First is affordability, lower tuition fees and living expenses compared to the US, UK or Canada. Second is quality education. Over 400 universities, including top ranked ones, offering international recognized programs. Third, English taught programs. A wide variety, over 300 in fields like engineering, IT, medicine and business. Safety and culture. A secure environment with a growing, welcoming international student community and hospitable locals. Career prospects. A growing economy, multinational companies, internship opportunities and a post-study work visas up to 1 year and hence job prospects. Academic prestige. Home to historical institutions and Nobel laureates like Marie Curie, providing a strong academic heritage. Thus, Poland offers an accessible gateway to quality European higher education, balancing cost, quality and opportunity for students worldwide. Global study abroad in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, helps students to make their career and take them to their destination, that is Poland. Come and join the mission and go to your destination point, that is Poland. Let us see one motivational story, and the story is The Broken Pot. An old man carries water in two pots from a river to a house. One pot is perfect, but the other one has a crack. The cracked pot leaks water, so it only delivers half the water to the house. It feels inadequate and ashamed of its imperfection. One day, the cracked pot apologizes to the water bearer for its failure. The water bearer tells the pot to look at the path. The pot sees the side of the path where it had been leaking is filled with beautiful flowers. The water bearer explains that he planted flower seeds there, knowing the pot's leak would water them. So, the moral of the story is our flaws and weaknesses can lead to something wonderful, and that our imperfections can bring beauty and value of the world, much like the flowers that grew because of the cracked pot. So don't worry about your weaknesses. Those weaknesses will be one day creating a history. So try to keep on working with your strength and weaknesses and become good citizens of the nation. Give time to the EduMall, and the EduMall will change your time. Remember, www.theedumall.com. Our address 229 The EduMall, Suresh Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn, succeed, and transform your education. We are there to help you in all the courses where you feel lagging behind. This is the right time for you to come and join us and fulfill your dreams. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye-bye.